and that will cost about $900. So this is really the boring part about vehicle ownership. Today we are going to change tires and battery. And there's also this other problem with my van. It's something called the diesel particulate filter, or DPF. I actually went for servicing about 1 or 2 weeks ago. They didn't manage to fix the problem. It came back after like 2 days. So I'm trying a different workshop today. Hopefully they can help me solve this problem. See that blinking light? What I'm really trying to avoid is having to replace the whole thing. The previous workshop told me that it will cost $1,000 almost to change it. Recently I have noticed that my pickup is a little slow. I mean, it's not very fast to begin with. It's an auto vehicle, so auto engines tend to be slower. But even then, I do realize that it really does struggle to pick up speed, especially when going up slopes, a little bit more than usual. So might really be the DPF that's giving it problems. Okay, we're here.换车轮换 battery.
OK，你老板在 office。
好 ，bye. Okay, so I'm going to leave my van there for quite a while, I think, and then we'll see. It is 5:30 PM now. I'm back at the workshop. They didn't call me the whole day, so I called them. I guess they haven't been working on my vehicle the whole day. Probably only got to it now. And now I'm just sitting at this coffee shop. I really hope I don't have to wait till 7:30 because that's when they close. 哇，吓死人了！
最简单的方法，我们就是放那个 plastic 的钥匙下去然后再用电脑清理多一次。因为我给它烧要它的温度稍微洗就到，我要多一下。好。
So as you can see now, the DPF filter is not lit. They basically did a manual regen, or essentially they rev up the engine while it's stationary through some electronic controls that only they can do. And then hopefully that flushes out the remaining carbon. There's basically a lot of carbon built up in the filter. It's just trying to get the carbon to burn off by revving the engine. If the light comes back on, likely that means the catalytic converter or something like that is dirty, and they'll have to go for to flush it, and that will cost, from initial estimates, about $900. Yeah, so not working, is it?
Inspection, right?
The van.
Van.
Okay.
Oh. Your vehicle number.
Thank you. $90. Oh, can pay Visa now. So now I'm just waiting. It's not too bad. About 4 vehicles in front of us. Alright, I passed. Woo! It's like taking an exam, guys. Oh, the nervousness is real, man. I could literally see an uncle praying to the inspection gods for his car to pass.